Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to visit Kyiv in Ukraine. This marks a historic first for an Indian Prime Minister. This visit takes place against the backdrop of the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, which has reshaped not only global geopolitics but also poses significant challenges to India's defense capabilities. The visit presents a unique opportunity for India to explore strategic partnership with Ukraine, particularly in the realm of defense manufacturing. It will allow both leaders, Prime Minister Modi as well as Ukrainian President Zelensky, to discuss collaboration in defense, economic and business relations, as well as science and technology. Just a few months back, Prime Minister Modi was in Russia, and now, of course, he's heading to Kyiv. He's taking a very, very special train, the Rail Force One, from Poland to Kyiv. He's, of course, wrapped up a two-day visit to Poland, of course, expanding, augmenting India's outreach to Central Europe. Now he's headed to Kyiv. He's one of the few leaders in the world who can go to both Moscow and Kyiv at this point of time. My colleague Mehendi Garg joins us on the broadcast to share more details. Mehendi, Prime Minister has departed for his historic visit to Ukraine. What is his itinerary like in the day? What can we expect? When is he likely to land in Kyiv?
Well, yes, Pia, very important developments are coming as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a two-nation visit. Earlier, we saw that how he visited Poland, and now he is all set to move to Kyiv. And if we talk about the itinerary, then today only around the afternoon time, he'll reach in Kyiv, Ukraine. And, he'll meet with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky in a historic visit to Ukraine. A month and a half after he traveled to Moscow to hold talks with President Vladimir Putin. That's why it's also a very important meet that will happen in the Ukraine's Kyiv. And, officials in India and Ukraine have said the visit would focus on boosting the economic ties and cooperation in defense, science and technology also. But, some analysts have said, Pia, that this visit could also be an attempt to have India strike a more neutral stance after what has been seen as a lean towards Russia when Prime Minister Modi has visited Russia earlier in the days and also met Putin, and a picture got viral while hugging Putin of Modi's. And, given Modi's recent Moscow visit and the history of the three countries, and also, Pia, India's relationship with Russia stretching back through the Cold War, means New Delhi has avoided directly criticizing Russia over its invasion of Ukraine. But this meeting holds very important discussions also over the economic ties between the two countries, and also, discussions about this war can also happen between the President Zelensky and also Prime Minister Modi. And also, this visit is the first to Ukraine from a Prime Minister of India since the country has established the diplomatic relations with Ukraine more than 30 years ago. And, he will arrive in Kyiv after a two-day visit to Poland now. Yes, Priya.
Indeed, Mehendi, what's interesting is, I mentioned this before as well, Prime Minister Modi is perhaps one of the very, very few leaders in the world who can go to both Moscow and to Kyiv. We've seen his successful visit to the Kremlin just a couple of months back, where Vladimir Putin had hosted him. And then, of course, we've seen some rather sharp reaction from the United States of America. Now, this very crucial outreach to Kyiv. Do you think India, of course, will play a crucial role in mediating between the two countries, as well as the fact that Prime Minister has always pitched for the fact that the solution to the war does not lie on the battlefield but through dialogue and diplomacy?
Well, yes, rightly said, Pia, because India plays a very crucial role in all these relations also. And now, not only India, but the UN Secretary General has also showed his hope that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Ukraine will contribute to ending the war. And this has been said by the spokesperson of the UN Secretary General's office only. And, this is a very important meet because India will be mediating between the two countries, and whatever discussions and the important dialogues that have been shared between Prime Minister Modi and Putin can also be discussed in this meet with Zelensky also. And, India can help both of the countries to come on a common ground and end this war, and also, help both these countries to come on a neutral stance. Well, yes, as you said, that India is playing a vital role from a very long time while showing the neutral stance and talking to both of the countries, both the presidents of the countries. But now with this meet, these relations, these statements have taken, a broader aspect of this and a, higher note. And yes, important discussions about this war will happen. And Prime Minister Modi will, have discussions with Zelensky also to have a neutral stance with Russia and to end this war.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.